Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Kedumska Dewi. I'm from class A482, majoring in accounting S1, Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang. In here, I will explain about the table of financial statement. Okay, guys. Here we can see the table of financial statement in the years 2018 to 2019. The first cash and equivalent in 2018 had 13,485 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 18,278 million US dollar. So, in the case and equivalent of 2018 to 2019, there is an increase of 35.54%. Second, investment securities in 2018 had 67,833 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 61,890 million US dollar. So, on investment securities from 2018 to 2019, there was a decrease of negative 8.76%. Third, current savable in 2018 had 7,290 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 6,870 million US dollar. So, on current receivable from 2018 to 2019, there was a decrease of negative 5.76%. Fourth is inventories in 2018 had 3,444 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 3,281 million US dollar. So, in inventories from 2018 to 2019, there was a decrease of negative 4.73%. 5. Financing receivables in 2018 had 121,189 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 113,181 million US dollar. So, in financing receivables from 2018 to 2019, there is a decrease of negative 6.61%. 6 is increasing insurance receivables in 2018 at 2,560 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 2,187 million US dollar. So, on the current receivables from 2018 to 2019, there is a decrease of negative 14.57%. 7. Order receivables in 2018 had 985 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 1,009 million US dollar. So, on current receivables from 2018 to 2019, there is an increase of 2.44%. 8. Property, planet, sorry guys, 8. Property, plant, and equipment net in 2018 had 45,005 US dollar, and in 2019 had 44,875 million US dollar. So in property, plant, and equipment from 2018 to 2019, there is a decrease of negative 0.29%. Nine is investment in 2018 had 18,320 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 18,320 million US dollar. So, in investment from 2018 to 2019, there is no increase or decrease. So the result is the same. And then intangible assets in 2018 had 19,826 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 17,998 million US dollar. So our intangible asset from 2018 to 2019, there is a decrease of negative 9.27%. 11 all others assets in 2018 had 65,871 million US dollar, and in 2019 had 62,725 million US dollar. So on all others assets from 2018 to 2019, there was a decrease of negative 4.73%. 12. The last is, so the total asset of the total are 366,880 million US dollar in 2018, and in 2019 of 351,344 million US dollar. So it can be concluded that in the table of financial statement, there was a decrease from 2018 to 2019 of negative 4.22. And it can be seen in the table of financial statement from 2018 to 2019. Cash and equipment experienced a very high rate of increase, namely 35.54%. Okay guys, that is my presentation about the financial statement table. Thank you for watching to see and listen to the result of my presentation. I'm sorry for my mistake in pronouncing this presentation. Okay, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.